and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. What luck! The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes, as we discussed. You can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room, especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye.
Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck. This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. No engineers. Guess Hondo won't be getting any crates. Gunners, take out those scouts. Focus up, gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Launching homing beacons now. We can only follow one. Grogu, you pick. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Endor. Good choice, kid. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star. Bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. They're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Nice flying. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's head out before there's any more surprises. Make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to you and your friends.
Welcome back. Any crates?
We were a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem.